improve knee circulation, repair knee injuries, improve osteoporosis. 300 to 500 times a day. Improve neck, lymph and thyroid health. Improve blood flow to the brain. Lower high blood pressure. 3 to 5 minutes in the morning and evening. Beautify and improve sagging face. Calm the mind, improve sleep. Three to 5 minutes before sleeping. Relieve neck pain. Relieve lower back pain. 36 times each side, one set, 3 to 4 seats a day. The crane walking. Calm the mind and improve sleep. Create a tall and graceful figure. 10 to 15 minutes a day. Press the main points. Low energy, poor coordination, muscle weakness. Chest tightness, depression. 5 minutes in the morning and evening. Press Huang Shu points. Promote abdominal fat metabolism. Relieve constipation. 3 to 5 minutes in the morning and evening. High blood sugar or insomnia. Press Anmian points. 5 to 7 minutes before sleeping. Press Jiangmen points. Eliminate edema and lose weight. Improve kidney function. 5 minutes in the morning and evening. If your upper body is hot and lower body is cooled. Relieve insomnia. Lower high blood pressure. Shoulder pain. Turn 3 times and vibrate down once. Three to 5 minutes a day. Pattern turning over. Improve overall joint flexibility. Improve circulation and metabolism. Lose weight. 9 times each side, one set, 3 seats a day. Improve heart, lung, liver and other internal health. Improve upper back pain. 10 to 12 steps a day. If you are stubbornly obese, fat bladder meridians. The second stretch. Fat bile meridians. The third stretch. Fat spleen and liver meridian. Cycle one set 3 to 4 seats a day. Harmonize internal chi and blood, repair internal strain. Relieve shoulder and neck pain. Relieve back pain. Nine times each side, one set, 3 seats a day. Chinese Qigong, Jing, enhance energy. Posture 9 to 1. The ending, leading Qi back to the 10-10. 3 times. Posture 9 to 2. The ending, reverse abdominal breathing. That is posture 9 to 3. The ending, tap teeth posture. Posture 9 to 4. The ending, knead your abdomen. '81 circle clockwise. 81 circle counterclockwise.